Day 34, heading out the door. Before we get started, I would like to point out we get our hairs did our hairs ourselves. Looking pretty fresh. Here we go. First task of the day is to get the bathroom door installed into this gap here. So door fell on my head and I got a goose egg now. Then the door didn't fit properly, so now I'm taking a break. It might be for the rest of the day. End of day 34, we cleaned the garage. Good morning everybody, day 35. Yesterday was a bit of a crapshoot, not gonna lie. I think Robert and I have been working really hard and we're a little tired. So Robert, bless his heart, cleaned a lot of the garage. I helped a little bit at the end. But it was kind of a mental health day, I think, for both of us. So here's to a good build day today after a good sleep and a good breakfast. Quick update, so you can see we're framing in the window. There's gonna be a window there, a window there. In the kitchen, this will be like our backsplash. So that'll be a little window. There's gonna be a window in the hallway. Go through the door here. There'll be a window here. This is our little desk area, so there's gonna be a window there. Obviously the back window. That's gonna be a headboard there, so that's a little window, and then there's a little bathroom window right there. My stepdad Harvey's offering some tours. We got a bathroom door now.
Oh, sorry. I'm on the loo.
Working on the other door and just notching out where the hinges are gonna go. Robert
Coming out.
came out. Good job. All right, end of day 35 update. So you can see we've got the windows framed out, looking pretty rad. On this side, we got the overhead cabinet above the couch. So there's gonna be recessed puck lighting in there. That'll look really cool. We got this door in there. We just have to put the hardware on and that. Bam. Windows are framed out in here. And then we also got the door in here to the little bathroom. So the little hobbit door, we're gonna call it. And very exciting, we got our MPPT charge controller today by Renogy. So I'll get to read some of that and learn a little bit how it works. That's it for the day. Until tomorrow.